Also, Shreya, again, as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned, are they worried that this could have an impact on other cases as well? For instance, Hemant Soren could make the very same argument. Jharkhand elections are still not over. He could want to come out on purposes of campaigning.
Well, that's the reason. When we heard that the matter was going on, SG Tushar Mehta, he was very adamant on the fact that giving a bail to a politician on the ground of an election campaign would set a wrong precedent, which will, in all likelihood, in later and other cases, be used as an example for knocking the doors of the court. Definitely, whether the Supreme Court, if they entertain such further pleas, will be taking this as a precedent or not, will be something we'll have to wait and watch for. But the ED is definitely, in the belief that this is a precedent that gives the benefit, if at all, is a politician. Because remember, the ED said that if a common man would want the same thing, it wouldn't be the same. Tomorrow, if MDs and CEOs ask the same thing, it would be a very wrong example. But the Supreme Court's decision comes out of the fact that the hearing on the challenge of arrest will be a long process. Section 19 of the entire PMLA is to be heard. In between that, they wanted to give interim relief for a level playing field in the election season. That's the only reason Arvind Kejriwal has got an interim relief till the 1st of June. The ED, meanwhile, their investigation continues. We will see them filing a supplementary charge sheet against Arvind Kejriwal as well. And definitely in the long haul, if we say that this investigation is not going anywhere, this is a very short window that Arvind Kejriwal has got. Whether or not that will have an impact in the Lok Sabha elections, only the 4th of June can say.
Absolutely. 4th of June, of course, will decide whether this indeed was a shot in the arm for the Aam Aadmi Party, or as the BJP says, this is all about perception. At the end of the day, the scam taint remains. Arvind Kejriwal, they say, is now part of the elite jail return club like Lalu Prasad Yadav, Shibu Soren, Jay Lalita. So that is what the BJP is charging with the Aam Aadmi Party with. Arvind Kejriwal in those pictures there, coming out of Hanuman Temple. Alongside him, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, his wife Sunita Kejriwal. They're headed to Aam Aadmi Party headquarters now. Arvind Kejriwal will be addressing a press conference at 1 p.m.